running around to a bunch of different stores today. To finish off the night, pipe cleaners. So I've only done pipe cleaner curls once before, and that was a while ago. I had to start trying both of these. So this is actually a 30 pack. It says chenille stems pipe cleaners. They were like, I think 90 something cents, no, like 75 cents. They were on sale. And I got the red one just because we'll see how red my hair comes out. It may add like a nice little cute pattern. So that's everything. So now I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna get started on this dye. I'm gonna lay down sometime. Ain't gonna start themselves. Once again, I'm just gonna do whatever I feel like doing, whatever I feel like is right.
I knew damn well what I'm about to grab was not about to work.
I shouldn't even be doing this video because it's so, oh my god, everything is just so half-assed now because I'm just so tired. Oh my god, I don't even feel like getting up to get a ponytail order, but hold on. So we'll just start here just because, and it took me a while to get to this point, so I'm just gonna be spraying everything just to make sure everything is good. Like I said, I don't really have much of a method to this madness at all. I'm just going to do whatever I think is going to end up looking decent. Okay, of course, just retwist like normal. Don't mind these strings that are all coming off. I'm going to cut them off eventually. I'm just not about to be doing no extra work tonight if it's not necessary, so yeah. So I guess I'll just do like fold the end. So I think that's what I did last time. That's what you're supposed to do, some shit like that. I don't know, fold it. Hold on, matter of fact, we're gonna fold it a little bit more. I don't know why, but we're gonna do it. And then what I'm gonna do is I probably should have doubled this pipe cleaner because I don't need all this pipe cleaner. See? Now I'm left with all this. Hey, that works. You can twist the end. Maybe I should do a little better. What I'm gonna do instead is actually, this part I'm going to wrap. I'm just gonna wrap it like that. And then I'm going to twist the bottom. Okay, I think we can rock with this. I think we can rock with this. I'm just gonna cut this off. So I found my scissors. They weren't really hard to find, but yeah, so I'm just going to cut this little tip off here now. And that's number one. 49 to go, beach. Oh my. Alright, I'm gonna show y'all again what I just did because I actually think that came out pretty good. I'm surprised, for real. Make your little loop and pull. Alright. Too much work. We just gonna tuck that one in because looking like Grandma Cole already. I can see it now. All right, let's keep it moving, getting too excited here. Come on, my wild ass eyebrows. Y'all know they always will. If you don't, you should by now. I'm not really doing this in any type of order as far as like, because I usually, when I do my retwist, I start in the back. But I really don't care. And since I'm doing the curls, I feel like it really does not matter. All right, Big Mama, I'm gonna use 2 for this one just because I know my girl is thick. What am I doing? I've been doing my hair so long, my baby done got here. Say hi, mommy. Say hi. She about to go to sleep. I'm back to this, y'all. I still got probably like 40 locks. I don't even think I've done 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means I still got 43. I'm gonna go to work like this tomorrow. Just like this. Hi, my name is Kyra. How may I help you? So it's currently like 11:30. I feel like I'm finally getting some sort of like a hang of what I'm doing or the best way to go about this, because that's why it's just taking me so long, because these are hard to like get the hang of if you're not doing it right. Like, so I still got about 800 locks to go. So it is 12:01, 12 o'clock. I've been doing my hair since 3 p.m. So doing it this way is actually what ended up being the best method for me. So I just actually left the pipe cleaner, you know, open completely. I rolled all the way up, and then once we get to the top, I'll show you guys what I did to secure it. So it looks a little bit better in the next example, but as you can see, I'm just pulling that piece up top down and then twisting the 2 ends together. And then from there, I just cut it with the scissors and fold up. I'm still up. It's 1 o'clock right now. It just turned 1. Listening to Frank Ocean. Let me just say for the record, I knew what I was doing, setting myself up today. I can't blame anybody but myself. Because I knew doing all this in one day was going to be doing the most. And guess what it was? Doing the most. Now I'm paying for it. Okay, so it's 1:47 a.m. This is finally the last one. So as you can see, just twist it down around this, you know, spiral pattern of the lock, and then twist the ends together and just fold up. Alright, so this is my grandma hairstyle for the next couple days. I'm worn out. so I'm at work right now on my lunch break. I just wanted to show you guys my hair. It's Tuesday. Tuesday, I did this on Sunday, I believe. So I left them in. I'm just gonna leave them in until later tonight. I'm gonna go ahead and take them out. It looks really cute today. It looks a little better today than it did yesterday, in my opinion. Looking like your favorite school teacher. So my little lock sprinkles are holding up in there. Everything looked good. You can see the pipe cleaners, but I really don't. Yeah, the color is nice, y'all. Hey. They've been calling me Cherry Coke. Black cherry. I don't care what it looks like. I'm excited. I know they're gonna be popping. I did good. They're real cute.